Hi everyone! Ever wondered how fast your JavaScript function really is? In this video I'll show you 3 quick ways to measure performance so you can write faster and better code. So we have some function to be tested and 3 ways to do it. So using built-in performance.now function, using console.time function, and approach to measure average performance running this function 1000 times. So clicking each of buttons calls the appropriate approach. So let's check with performance.now. Here is the result with console.time. So we should go to console and check the result. Here it is. And the last one is using average approach. Let's examine code to see how it works. So here I have simple HTML page with some styles for buttons, and JavaScript code of our functions. The first function is target function to be tested. So we emulate some important hard work, and here we have functions to measure performance. The first one is using built-in performance.now function. So we should initialize start constant, then run our function to be measured, and then initialize end constant by calling performance.now function. Then we calculate duration by subtraction of end and start dates and show the result on UI. Another approach is also very simple and similar to the previous one. We should use console.time function before calling the function we need to test, and then console.timeEnd function. And the last one is calling performance function 1000 times to measure average result. This approach smooths out random fluctuations and gives more accurate results. We can also use small library Benchmark to measure performance. Let's examine it. So here I'm looking for Benchmark.js. And the first result is the one we are looking for. So there is explanation how to install it and how to use it. So as we can see, firstly we should create variable calling constructor of benchmark object and then run evaluation. Very simple and accurate. If this video helped you, drop a like, subscribe and comment speed matter so I know you watched to the end. Bye.